Okay, this is a MacBook Air that came in with liquid damage. And that's not actually liquid that you can wipe off or anything like that. It's sticky. It's a sticky substance. This you can feel it'll stick to your finger. And this is the bottom plate right here. Looking back at this, we see it's so everything's going to have to come out of this. Unfortunately, that's the side that doesn't have the power jack. But you see there is some damage. And if you can see it, that means that there's more underneath this, because this is actually this is upside down, this unit. So this is the side that the liquid would actually travel down to. I don't dare try to start it up right now. The owner said he tried to start it. It doesn't boot. And it's not a good idea to keep pressing your luck by surging power through something that's shorted. Okay, so now this is the other side of the board, and this is another area of concern. Okay, so the solder job is kind of done. If we get a light, that's a good thing. All right. So now this should power by all rights, unless I did something wrong. Here's your daddy. Hello, baby apple.